Welcome back to our channel, lovely viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of interior design and home decor, focusing on one of the most elegant window treatment options out there: pinch pleat curtains. If you're looking to add a touch of sophistication and style to your living space, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about pinch pleat curtains, from their features and benefits to different types, installation, and even a comparison with other curtain styles. So, let's get started. Pinch pleat curtains are a timeless classic that brings both beauty and functionality to any room. Their distinctive pleats, carefully tailored by gathering fabric at regular intervals, create a luxurious and formal appearance. Let's take a closer look at the features and benefits of these exquisite window treatments. Elegance and sophistication. Pinch pleat curtains exude an air of elegance that can transform even the simplest room into a stylish sanctuary. Their symmetrical pleats create a sense of order and refinement. Versatility in fabric. Whether you prefer sheer, lightweight fabrics for a soft ambience or heavy materials for light control and insulation, pinch pleat curtains can be customized to suit your style and functional needs. Light control and privacy. These curtains offer excellent light control. You can adjust them to filter in the perfect amount of natural light while maintaining your privacy. Insulation and energy efficiency. Did you know that pinch pleat curtains can also help with insulation? They create an additional barrier against drafts, keeping your space warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, ultimately saving on energy bills. Enhanced acoustic control. Thicker pinch pleat curtains can also contribute to better sound absorption, making your space quieter and more peaceful. Now that we've explored the wonderful features and benefits, let's delve into the various types of pinch pleat curtains available. Single pinch pleat. The single pinch pleat features a clean and minimalistic look. It's perfect for those who prefer a more contemporary style. Double pinch pleat. The double pinch pleat offers a fuller appearance due to the extra fabric. It's ideal for creating a luxurious and traditional atmosphere. Triple pinch pleat. For the ultimate opulence, the triple pinch pleat is the way to go. Its elaborate pleating adds depth and drama to any room. Now that you're excited about pinch pleat curtains, let's talk about how to install them and see how they stack up against other curtain styles. Installing pinch pleat curtains is easier than you might think. Follow these steps for a seamless installation process. Measure your window and curtain length. Install curtain rods or tracks according to the manufacturer's instructions. Hang the curtain panels, adjusting the pleats to your desired fullness. Secure the curtains in place. Now, let's compare pinch pleat curtains with other popular curtain styles like grommet, rod pocket, and tab-top curtains. Grommet curtains. Grommet curtains are easy to open and close, but they may not offer the same level of formality and insulation as pinch pleat curtains. Rod pocket curtains. Rod pocket curtains have a casual and relaxed appearance, but they lack the refined elegance of pinch pleat curtains. Tab-top curtains. Tab-top curtains have a unique look, but they might not offer the same level of light control and insulation as pinch pleat curtains. Before we wrap up this guide, let's recap the top reasons why you should consider pinch pleat curtains for your space. Timeless elegance. Pinch pleat curtains bring a timeless and sophisticated elegance that never goes out of style. Customization. With various fabrics, colors, and pleat options, you can truly personalize your curtains to match your interior decor. Functionality. From light control to insulation, these curtains serve a practical purpose while adding beauty to your home. Increased property value. Investing in quality window treatments like pinch pleat curtains can actually increase the value of your property. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to pinch pleat curtains. Remember, whether you're aiming for a traditional, luxurious, or contemporary look, pinch pleat curtains can elevate your space with their beauty and functionality. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy decorating!